guys, welcome back. This is Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just popping in here with a quick Happy Mail haul. This is my April design team package from Really Reasonable Ribbon. I've already opened the box because I need to wrap this April Ribbon Club selection. It's all secret style. I will be posting a project with this on the 1st. And then you will see the great collection that Bonnie has put together. So also, look at all this great stuff. I'm using ATG quite a bit now. And I don't know if you are aware that Bonnie has this in her shop. This is so great to keep creating quickly and not have to worry about pulling tape backing. And so I picked up 2 of these. And hopefully that will go a long way. Also, I've got this burlap string in ivory. I use it on all my bows, and it helps to fill in arrangements and make everything a beautiful display. This is ivory. I have all the colors, but I tend to use this one the most because it's more neutral and it fits in. So also, cherry blossoms. I'm sort of obsessed with them. Oh, that is loud, isn't it? I'm sorry. Right now, because it is spring, well, not here in Michigan, but other places have spring, and so I'm thinking ahead to soft colors that are good for Easter projects and spring projects, and these are all beautiful, sort of lighter pastel-y colors. This one is gorgeous. Look at that sort of aqua, but not quite aqua, and they all are great additions to flower arrangements because they're smaller, but they're dimensional, so they help to fill in things. Also, lately I've been using a lot of chrysanthemums. That's not a fun word to say. These are really sweet for, I'm planning to use these for summer type patriotic themed projects for the summer holidays. And I got 2 of those because I put them on everything. Here is some double-headed pearl stamens. I have also been making my own flowers lately. I don't know if you have noticed that. I try to leave links to things when I can. But Bonnie has a great selection of stamens and berries. This is a berry cluster, and those are so pretty in like if you have made a dimensional flower. And why is that so loud? Oh, well, I'm not going to open it. To add the center, so they look like a really beautiful purchase flower, but you make it yourself, and you can make whatever color that works for your project, or whatever size, or whatever style. So these are so handy because you can really customize your projects. And then this one is in aqua, and that is a double-headed pearl stamen. So look at, there's a ton of them in there. She has a lot of different colors to pick from too, so you'll find something to work for your project. So this is what I've picked out for April, and I can't wait to begin creating with it and showing you all of what I've made. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you a happy and productive day. Bye!